in Shah's world.
Hi everybody, this is me Angel, as you know, and today in our video we are gonna do a very different thing that we are never doing that thing in our channel. But I don't know if you will say yes or no, because I don't know if sometimes I do or not. But I am talking that I never have done, like my workers do. I mean workers, yeah, because I'm the owner of Future Soul, as you know. So today we are gonna doing very different hairstyle with these hairpins. We are gonna do a bun with little braids, and I don't know if you know that hairstyle or not. Okay, so let's start our hairstyle. So first I do a hairband because I couldn't do hairband. So first of all, then you start your hairstyle. You start my hairstyle and any hairstyle. I'm just giving like a hint. I mean, first you need to comb that hair. Not like this, that if you think that only if you do your hair like with on that hairstyle. And I mean not like this too, that you did like my hairstyle. I don't do it like this because I'm poor, but I will tell you, you don't need to do it here. I'm doing this. If you want to do this or anything, you can do the brush, just comb, I mean. Alright, so I'm done with the comb. Let's get the hairpins. First of all, we need to like, I'm seeing there. Do this with only your hands. I'll because it can hurt your eyes like mine. I'm hurt. Okay, so you need to take it like this. One of them I can do some. I am doing it again. So you need to take it from here, yeah. This. Yeah. I'm kind of problematic and say that I'm an addict. I think so. This is my favorite line. But I don't need to take up. Why are you being so silly? That is right. So my head. I think things are things that no one said. I'm thinking about noticing the names there. I'm thinking things all they are. And start. And I'm reaching the plateau. And the more hairs you do like this, and first of all, take your this hair. And baby. And do it like fold, like this. Make this going up. Make this going up. Now you need a spear pin. Chop it and do it like this. Now I forgot about this. And look at my book. Isn't it pretty? Okay, so then you need to open these ones and make sure that they are safe. You can do like this too if you like. Like this one is cool too. Like don't make anything from them. But the hairstyle I am teaching is not like this. Which rubber band? Which band should I choose? I think my favorite color is red, so I'll choose red. It matches with my pant. I'm gonna put it there. Make a braid. So my hair. I don't think it's going to be answer. I was going to try to send you an answer. I think they called it. And version has a tool. Resistance that you know how to try it. I was doing it. I'm more than all right with them. But it is different, but I will wait because I can be dramatic. I say this automatic, I'm kind of problematic. Can say that I'm an addict to pain, but I don't need to complain. So I can be dramatic. I feel it's automatic. I'm kind of problematic. Can say that I'm an addict to pain, but I don't need to complain. Move my mind. See? There is that. And do the same thing to the next one. Alright, so I think this one have show you how I made it. So this one I will made it by myself. Okay? Sorry for the equal, but that's because. Okay, so we got these rubber bands that we are gonna put in our braids. The easiest is when because I can be dramatic, I say this automatic, I'm kind of problematic, I'm saying I'm an to pay you. I don't need to complain. So that complicated, it's just not everything. I'm trying to always make I've done my world breaking in pieces. I was that I reveal this. I can be dramatic, and then you take this one. Just spin it. See? And how do you like my tutorial of this hairstyle? See, how do you like it? Isn't it pretty? It's kind of some messy bun.
Now move. Move again.
How do you like it?
Slowly.
How do you like this hairstyle? Okay, so if you want this pretty hairstyle from Intra Salon, so call us. Our number is 0312239689. Call us and be pretty like this hair. And wear the hairstyle and be pretty. Come to our salon, subscribe to our channel, watch our video, give me likes on my video, and don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe me and like me. Bye!
Subscribe to my channel, watch my video and give me likes on my video and subscribe my Instagram. It's Insha Salon and like me. Bye! And click the bell icon. Bye!